Good morning, good morning. It's going to be Monday. Tomorrow is Irish Day. Happy Irish Day tomorrow. Happy Irish Day's Eve to you. It's celebrated rather largely here in America. There's a large Irish population. I am Irish.
Order canceled.
All right, that was a great trade. That first one there. That took long on the 1 minute. Now, it didn't give me profit that I hoped for, but it absolutely gave me a small amount of profit here. So it's drawn a bottom.
Order submitted.
Day in, day out in my life, for you pushed under me what's wrong or right, hidden from this thing that they call life. Dear mother, dear father.
Order submitted.
What is you disapprove? Dictator.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Innocence taunting me without your shelter. By reality of living blind now.
Order canceled.
Okay, we got yellow. Let's see if we get contagion here. So if this works perfectly, this is the beginning of the top. I am absolutely not saying this is the top. What I'm saying is if this yellow bar kicks into gear, this is the start of it. I'm not saying it's going to. Okay, I did just sweep the leg, 2 points. Reality of living blind now. So it all really just depends on whether it breaks this shoulder line. Here's the neck. And there we are. It has to move to get contagion. Come on. I'm in hell without you. Cannot cope without you too. But by the way, it's mandatory Metallica Monday. dear mother, dear father. Good morning, Bruce K. It's a good morning to you. Good morning, Trader Prince, Robert, Luce. Turn those gray names green. Join Team Green.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Okay, Contagion 99.50 starting to form. 96.50. 96.50.
Order submitted.
With 94.75 target. Oh, was I just too slow? Oh man, 94.75 target. 95. Might not have been filled. No. Nope, wouldn't have been filled anyway. It never upticked.
Order canceled.
Okay, so it's just going to keep us short. My target is 93. Oh, I put it on the wrong. I killed it on the wrong one. 996.50. Because it's yellow and it's starting contagion on the one, I want to keep that there. It has its own stop of no. No. Okay.
Pink bar, 2 minute chart.
Okay, now it's starting to form on what? On the 2 minute. Oh, hello.
Order submitted.
Contagion. Hello, 5 minute. It'll be hitting targets when we start getting 5 minute sells if it's going to continue to contage. Okay, the ones that start on the 10 range, the ones that start on the 10 range seem to have the most power. You guys understanding what I'm talking about? Hit a Y in the chat. If you don't, I can keep explaining, right? So it starts on the smallest time frame, 1 minute triggers, 2 minute triggers, does the 5 trigger or not, and we get a slide. It's a very binary answer at this point. One minute didn't fill, already hit its target. Your stop would have been 00 with a sweep of 98s. On the video. Imagine that. Let's go. Elijah, can I get the link to that video, please, good sir? Imagine that, Zero. Let's go. And if you think about it, that's what a fractal is, because then if you zoom in from the, let's say 5 minutes, right? And it goes all the way down, you're like, okay, so now I have to check it on the way back up. Oh, it's on the button. Good. All right, here it is right here. Elijah's got me all lined out, folks. And if it fails on the 5, right, then it will just rally. And we'll look for the next signal, right, if it doesn't contage to the 5. Because this is what a top or a bottom would actually look like, right? Okay, so now, good.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, look, we're almost at the target for the leg sweep. Or no, for the 1 minute.
Order filled.
Oh, hey, 1 minute blue worked. How did we know? How did we know to put that order in there at 96.50? Because it was an open invitation. Thank you very much. What I mean by that is there's a gap right there. Trying to sound all cool. Here, look right here. Opacity. What if I did 59? Blue. There's your level. There's your ove and. Come on, 5 minute. Now, see, look at what would have to happen on the 5 minute for it to paint, though, right? This 20 simple SMA would have to roll over to be pink. Whilst the 8 EMA painted here crosses through it at a negative slope. I hope that makes sense. I'm not, look, here's the deal. I'm not trying to do anything proprietary. Like you've never heard me say that these are proprietary. I would have to have a patent on these if they're proprietary. They can't be proprietary, basically, if they're made inside of a software. Right? There would be a lot of finagling with the law to get it to be actually proprietary. So these are just called paint bars. They just show me where there's a higher probability of my trade setup working or not working. Forming or not forming. Who knows if it's going to work? Okay, so now we have a leg sweep at 98.25. I got to be careful here. I don't want to get too heavy. Counter trend. I would really love 93 to hit and then 98 quartz to hit. Yeah, that video is sick. Guys, there's some videos that I'm like, damn, I made that? Okay, there's a couple videos coming up that are like that. Elijah's got his magic ET finger rolling. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Decision. Let's see if we're right. Let's get these off. I don't care if the 2 quartz come off. I want the 93 to come off.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
What? See, I don't want to be too heavy against the trend here in case it pops.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Whoa.
Order canceled.
Now think about how many times. Look, if we look at the 5-minute chart, here's something why I let it hit one stop and not the rest of them. Look at this. And I would have let it hit the rest of them. How many times have you? And I'm going to draw this out. Watch. I hope everybody's paying attention. That knows what I'm not about to say. Okay. How many times have you drawn it like this, and then like this, and then you have to draw it like this, and then you have to draw it like this, and you have to draw it, and then all of a sudden, it's still baselining, and you've drawn 17 effing lines. Okay, if that's never happened to you, good job. You're doing better than the rest of us in this world. So that's why I didn't cover the short here. I'm not heavy, so I'm not worried about it. But do you see how that? Yes, it could still go up. It could retrace. But for now, it's like, okay, do they keep just, or does it, right? Because now we have here. See, but I'm not going to keep drawing these lines. Waiting for contagion to fall on the 5. But right now we have a long on the 15 minutes, so it would have a huge time turning around. But it's a perfect trap. Perfect trap. 6 minutes, Slim Shady, you're on. Thank you very much, Luce. We got 3 minutes. Let's roll. I'm light. I'm down to 2 contracts in each account. Awaiting reprisal. Sky is turning red. And I did take a stop on the 1 minute. But then it added. So we really just stopped into a better price. Ayo, let's go. All day, baby. Holding those stops, just re-entering on the next time frame, up or down. Look at the 5 minute. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no way we get a yellow down, right? Yo, reprisal. Your time slipped away. 2 minute has 5 minute has a lot of work. 15 minute is an absolute, up there. Kicking it island time. So either they smack this thing here on the 2 and it rips right through, or it doesn't.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here we go. Down or up. Either way, I'll be slightly green or flat. I'm just following the signals. People, there was a leg sweep at 99. One tick, Rick. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. All out. All out. It worked in our favor. Let's go. Now, if we get a 5 minute or if we get another sell, we have to take it because it's fractal. Win or lose, we don't know. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hello, where are you going? Without us. Whoa! Without us. Mm-hmm. We nailed that thing. All out. Beautiful trade. already know. Gonna keep on trying. Chicka chicka wow wow. Uh, 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 uh. Oh no. Oh no. No.
Order submitted.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
Ah, I missed it. I missed it. Target's 04. I missed it. I missed it. That was too slow.
Order canceled.
04 from 01's on top. 04's quarts, 7/2. Come on. One tick, Rick. Let's go. One tick, Rick. Oh boy.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, they're trying to lean into the delta a little bit, so they're going to run this thing on them. They found liquidity, right? I did not get filled at 01 on that. I didn't have it set up, but we got a 0750 target, 0850 target, 04 target hit, 07 target. 5 minutes switch back up, give us a yellow up, would crush this thing. 15 minutes still says buy. All right, but if we go into the real cake batter of this whole thing, we really do have a dilemma on the VWAP. 200. Ooh, there's another buy up there at the top of the RBI. No thanks. I do not want more contracts yet. Delta's going nowhere. Break.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Okay.
Order canceled.
all tattooed. Okay, perfect. All right, now we wait. Bad, 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 bad. All right. Perfect. This is where I get to start a new eval because those two are muy profitable with platos. I want you bad, 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 bad. Don't get me wrong. I want you all tattooed. I want you bad. X-rated. Let's check the bigger time frame here before we say, oh, we got to be long at 10 even. No. Hold on. Hold up. Where's the block? Oh. Bad, bad. Where's the lowest closing bar? Right here. Right here. There it is. There's your over under, right? Am I right or am I wrong? Tell me. That would be the breaker block of that Head and Shoulders, right? So that's where we step on out and wait for the next thing. We killed it. We crushed that. We had no very little heat. Well, some of the beginning. Look at this thing go. Here it goes. Bam, baby. Bam. Did we nail the downside and the upside? That's not possible. What? Wow. Look at him rip it, rip it, rip it, rip it, grip it, stick it, smack it up, flip it, rub it, rub it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Bring it back into this block and then take it. Nice try.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order
Bink,
canceled.
2 more points. Thank you. Alive in the super unknown. So they're trying to lean into the bid. Are they successful? And if they are, it's just going to push straight down. But that level there, wow, we'll see.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
The delta is trying to push lower, but I mean, let's find out. Let's see if they're successful leaning into it. They don't have to be successful, right? They can lean into it and fail. Price can shift on them. Bow.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Okay, it starts. Look, all right. If this fails, I'm going to kill it.
Order filled.
Wow, that was instant. Wow.
Order submitted.
825. I can go 1125 and it's beautiful. Oh, they already snapped it back. Look at this.
Order
Oh,
canceled.
yeah. Wow, that was an instant. So it instantly filled me 825 back to 1050 or whatever it was. Look. Oh, yeah. Look at the tape. Bow, 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 bow. Rock and roll. One tick, Rick. Stop giving me one
Order
tick,
canceled.
Rick. Woo! Whoa. Target one, and we're going for some fun. Here we go for some more. While I'm singing, if I get caught monologuing, I'm going to be fired. Please
Order
bring it
submitted.
back. No, 1750's got to come fill. Bring it back.
Order filled.
Let's go. Rock and roll. Gonna die. Rock and roll. Ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll is rock and roll. Here we go. 2050 and 24 is going to be the final stages for sages. Exits. Oh, I did not even do that on purpose. Ah, shnikes. 1875 says yes. 1875 says yes.
Order
Boom.
submitted.
Please. Only, I'm not one of the lucky two yet.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Rock and roll, ain't no it was pollution. 30-50 if you get in. 30-50 if you get something to go on. Do you see how we are contagious? Where did we start? Ah, lovely. We started on the 10 range. Okay, and then it was bullish enough that that it didn't fire on the 2, on the 1, but it did give us something on the deuce for a 30-50. And roll, ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll. It will survive. Yes, it will. Yes, it will.
Order filled.
It's just a rock and roll, yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, good. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Hit 1750. I won't be mad. You pick a mortal man.
Target filled.
Hey, that works perfect. Hey, we got 2 left. No, the reason I left that there, that was the leg sweep of the 10 range. I could not have my stop there.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Pink bar, 10 range chart. A
Order submitted.
roll.
Order submitted.
Wow, just like the Pied Piper. Your stop would be 12 on the 10 range. And it can hit it instantly.
Order
I
canceled.
can't have a buy stop where my target is. I can't be my own business. Yeah. Hey, let's take 3 points out of the 10 range, shall we? Yes, we shall. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, 5 minutes is saying buy. 5 minutes saying stay long from your lower cost average. And let's go 30. We got 30, 50. We got 24, 30, 50, and 37. Holy shit.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay,
Order submitted.
there it is. You got them. There they are. You bought them. We're going. Here we are. Stop is right down there. Here we go. 15 minutes blue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, sellers. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, sellers. There's no way 37 came into play. No, stop. There's no way the 5-minute and the 15-minute have 37. Stop. It just doesn't work that way. Nah. So we got 24, 30 half, and 37s. Starts to rumble. I need to get this 24 off because I got to move the stop up. This trail is too deep. Too deep for me. Now, if this is the breaker block, right? Think about it. If this is the head, right? And I'm not saying that it is, right? If this is the head, this is the breaker block, and it's got to stall out here for a minute. It's because it's got to figure out what it's doing. I don't like that 10 range. That's got to pop. Go. Nope. Open up your head. Let it pop at me.
Order submitted.
Don't try to deny what you feel when you give it to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Uh-oh, Delta. Uh-oh, Delta sellers. Uh-oh, Delta sellers. See, you have a 37. Oh, no, and a 52? No. Stop. Gorgeous. It'll look, ladies and gentlemen, it's starting to look marvelous, right? All we need, here's what we need. Here's what we need. Here's what we need. Let me explain. We need the dotted line to turn this line blue and everything go upwards. That's what we need if we're going to stay long. If we're going to be long. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, come on, 24. There's no freaking way it goes to 24. Stop it. It can't. Wow. 30, 50, 37 is going to be the targets for love. Let's go. Ding! Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. All right, 2 left. 5 minute, 15 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute, 10 range says, go, 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 go. If you go short, you'll get your dick punched. If you go short, you'll get your dick punched. If you don't have one, it will get punched too. Sorry. Did I say that out loud? Well, tough shit. Let me get you the dolly and you can explain where my words hurt you. I'll be rearranging chart sizes. Okay. I'm flat. Wait, no, I'm not. I got 2 left. Sorry. I forgot. Oh, you got another long on a 5 minute. Okay, well, 22 again. You've got to be kidding me. They're not going to give it to us now. There's no way you're getting 22 again. 0. Come on. Come on, 0% chance. Fill me. Big booty Judy. Oh wait, did we just go 27 when I looked away at the meme that's running on the? Thanks, Jody. Distractions makes you go, what the hell? Maybe you've been down too long. 1 minute says long. 5 minutes says long. 15 minutes says long. 4-hour chart for the win. Let's roll. So Joey, is it when gray meets spread? What do we got there? Is that just causation? There's no.
Order filled.
Oh wow, they just bought 22 and bought it all the way back to 24. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That was out. What? Someone tried to sell and they got smoked like a pack of cigarettes, folks. That's not going to work. That's not going to work for them. That's too bad. Look, he's selling. He's selling deep. Is he going to be successful? A rotor off for the 10th time today.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, they're dropping the delta hard. Yeah, flat. Not at 25. We made plans to go out at night. Wait till 2, then I turn out the light. Got me so low. All right, folks, while we're waiting for this to figure out what it's doing, I've got some shoes to show everyone. And I promise you, you want to see these because they might be the only time you ever see them. Delta fell off a cliff here. Can we hit this prayer swing low for a little scalpy scalperton? All right. All right, here's what we got. Ladies and gentlemen, these are rare. You cannot just buy these exact ones. All right, what we got is the Air Max Big Bubble. Big Bubble, they call them. Now, it's the colorway that I'm talking about that you cannot have. Find. These are sick. Big Bubble. Now, here's what's I think this is the cool part. You can pause it and zoom in. I want to remind you, Delta dropped. So either this seller's going to get smoked, or they just accumulated him, and he gets smoked. Okay, or they're going to pop it a little bit lower. Okay, now that was the appetizer. Who's ready for the encore? Who's ready for the main dish? This is the main dish. Here's the main dish, ladies and gentlemen. He's looking at you. It's Jordan. Let's go. Okay. These are 1 in 35,000.
10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
These are 1 in 35,000, ladies and gentlemen, in the world. I had seconds to order them. That's right. That's right. I've got the Imperial Purple 4s. Ooh, baby. Ooh, get in my belly.
Order submitted.
And remember, I have no control of whether these trades are win or lose. I just know that I'm going to control the size that I'm in. Here we go. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Here they are.
Stop filled.
This is my favorite part. Look at the drip. And you can tell it's hand dripped because look. I don't mean literally hand dripped. I mean, okay, that's the Imperial 4. 1 in 35,000 in the world. 1 in 35,000 in the
Order
world.
canceled.
Yeah, I'm a Lakers fan. I love this color. Okay, I got stopped out on one. Okay, I got stopped out on one, but the leg sweep worked. Okay. And we have one left. An Imperial Purple 4. 1 of 35,000. Beautiful suede. I would love to put my foot in this. My foot can't afford to be in this until I make mucho profito. Okay? Delta's still dripping. They're leaning into this price hike. So let's see who wins the battle, Price or Delta. And here's the deal. I don't care which. Got a long there on the 1. Okay, I got a long on the 1. I'm going to...
Order filled.
23 add.
Order submitted.
Hello, wait.
Order submitted.
I got to go for T2. I'm a little late here. I need a pullback for T1. 27.50 if you're long. Loss in the short. Next. Okay, I got a 27.25 long here again on the 2-minute. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Okay. Stops starting to look a little more appropriate here. $32 target on 32 on the 2-minute. So now 30.50 actually makes a little more sense, as it is the actual 1R. There we go. Minutes says short, long. I will put my foot in those on the next payout. I'm gonna pick a pair out of the collection on the next payout and put them on as the next lucky shoe. And then what we'll do is we'll retire these threes, or I'm gonna buy a new pair of threes. I haven't decided. I might buy another pair of these because I already have the box for them, right? All right, we got another buy here.
Order filled.
Yeah. Ooh, did I buy? How did I buy so many right there? What happened? Why is there 4? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1850 on the 1 minute. Okay, I like it. Come on, 26. Three at 30.50. Why does it say that? Why does it say 3 at 30.50? There should be 1, 2. Okay, I see it. They're really trying to sell the delta. What if they jam it on them? Or what if the delta's right? Yeah. Okay, we need a little bit more of an uptick for the next. Oh, whoa, 2 minutes. We need upticks. Whoa, they just sold it. They might buy that back. That might be a sword. I don't know. That was too quick of a sell from 25 to 21. So far, this trade is basically just break even, waiting for it to pop or drop. I'm in the eval. They're trying to sell the delta here. I against price, right? I mean, so if it drops hard, right? But remember, it will start. Well, let's
Blue bar,
see.
1 minute chart.
Yeah, okay. So it's starting to start on the 10 range. They've got to sell, but they keep negating it. Okay, now 1 minute sell. Do they negate it or not? And I don't know, right? It's going to go right against me if it does. If it goes fractal, right, from the 10 to
Order
the
submitted.
1, right? Hell bent on leather. Did I just add there? Did it just add? 1850. It did. Okay.
Stop filled.
Lame.
Order filled. Order submitted.
What?
Order submitted.
What? Fucking stupid. That is so fucking stupid. That is so. No. Nope. Not today, Satan. Satan. Not today, Satan. I got stopped out of my own fractal. That's what I get. That's what I get for being. That's what I get for being right, guys. Right. That right there is an ego crusher. As you can tell, the mic was muted because my ego just got crushed. Right. Anyone that was just long right there just got fucking poked, smoked like a pack of fucking cigarettes. They're out there, fucking gone. Done. Crying in the car with their ego.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
$97.75 target. Oh, 0275 if you're short on the 1 minute. My ego got me on that one, guys. That costed me the. I got to wait till tomorrow for that one to stop. Reset itself.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
It started fractally. Let's see if it continues.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay, 1R. Off, pink. Stick it up, yo. I'm only human. My ego kept me in that long, way too long. When I saw this, I should have just closed it right here. Boom, 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 out. That is a line break as far as I'm concerned. Just out, right? Okay, so then I reinitiated a short here, right, as part of the model, right? If you think about it, it starts on the 10 range, and now look at how it gets swept a couple times though, right? So look, so if we go like this, okay, it gets swept a couple times, but then, okay, so then let's look at this right here. Okay, this is roughly 10:22, 10:24 a.m. Go to the 1 minute. Watch this. 10:20 fails. Look, then you get a sell here. Look, boom. That was our signal. That's where I should have closed the long. See that? In hindsight. Thank you, sir. Look at him take it. Look at him take it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Now, be careful because we're in a block. Okay, either they're going to hold this block or they're not. Yeah, they popped it. Damn it. And didn't fill me on my leg Swepelton. Now, why would they pop there? The breaker block. So they have to break the breaker block if they're going to. Oh, yeah, yeah. Don't forget to smash the like button if you like the explanations that you're seeing, guys. If you love what you're seeing here, this is fun. I could have traded that long better. I could have got out right here. Mm-hmm. What? Okay, there we go.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Blue bar, 5-minute chart.
Order submitted. Order
Why did
submitted.
9575 not paint? Damn it. Missed it. It's gone. Okay, 9075, 8950 coming. 8950 is coming. Man.
Pink bar, 1-minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh, there's a one on a 2-minute too. This is beautiful.
Order filled.
I'm not the only one.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Target filled.
Okay, we're right underneath the breaker. You see it on the 15? Right underneath it. And so they gotta apply pressure now, or it's not gonna work.
Target
Boom.
filled.
950 is
Order
out.
canceled.
Let's go.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Angry again, angry again. I should have closed it at 92. Yuck. Delta's not moving, but they're shaking the price up.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Right in that block. Covered my short right at the top. It blew that fucking account. Fuck that. I was up $2,000, lost $4,000. So fuck that account. My account's gone. It's fucking bullshit, man. Sold right at the fucking top. It's so stupid. I'm not mad. That's just how I talk. All right, we got about 23 minutes left of the stream. Let's see how many more accounts I can get going here. I'm 2 for 4. Not sure how I went into drawdown like that, but whatever, man. I just go to the next fucking trade. Yeah, you just, you scratch your head and you go, what the hell, man? I was long and I was short, and then I close at the exact top, and it's like, wait, what the hell? What the hell? With the signals, but then yeah, got me at the top. Got him. Now here's where I went wrong. Let me explain where I went wrong. I went wrong by going long into the breaker block. You guys see it? That's what I get. That's what I get. That's what I get. That's what I get. You go long into the breaker block, you get smoked like a pack of fucking cigarettes. And I did it now with just one account, right? I'm gonna be clear. I made an account and lost it instantly. So whatever. It's just annoying. What I'm doing is I'm waiting for the next signal. Now, what is the next signal? Oh, that's a great question. Well, the 15-minute is long, kind of. 5 minutes long, kind of. 2 minutes long. Yeah, kind of. 15-minute is not yet long. This needs to turn blue. And then I shouldn't have went short down here because it's in the breaker block of the 15-minute. Right here. Yeah, that was dumb. That was a really bad trade. I deserve to get that account blown instantly within 10 minutes. That's what I get for it. I was up $2,000, down $2,000. I think it's so stupid. I wish it would delete the account the second it's fucking blown, though. I hate looking at it.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
Order filled.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Martin, do you see that when it paints a yellow on the 10 range, it's only blue? So I think it's trying to do a blue and a yellow at the same time. What do you think? Because sometimes it does paint yellow.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That was a flurry. They're gonna get me again? Stop is 150 on the 10 range. I just got a sweep in here. Yeah, they're gonna get me again. I'm light. I like to have.
Order submitted.
No, I hate this fucking trade, man. Oh, Lord. Come on. Buy it. Delta's flat. Ooh, there's someone selling it up here. Do they keep going? Or do we get filled? We got a 2-minute long.
Target filled.
We started with the 10 range. 2 minutes long. Into the breaker block on the 5-minute.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
No fill. No fill.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Yeah, we've got a long in the 2 minute, the 1 minute, the 10 range. 5 minute needs to come back around. 15 minute is coming right off of a breaker block. This might be all right. Let's see what this does here. 15 minute coming off the breaker block. 5 minutes stuck inside of its prior breaker. Can they push through some 1050s, some 1275s? Yes, they can. Some 1050s coming out. 1050s coming out. That was the only one up there. Was anyone else up there? We'll get filled here. We'll get filled right here. Here it comes. They got him. They got him. All they did was go back to the VWAP. That's pretty interesting, huh? There's your 1050s out. Watch your delta. Yeah, Apex. Apex is going to corner this market. I promise. Okay, 675 on the 2 minute with a 14 target, right?
Order submitted.
There we go. There's the buyers. There they go. Oh, I don't, Elijah, I don't know why it would do that. It has to be a hotkey. It has to be some sort of hotkey on Stream Deck. Because I wouldn't even know how to push that button. I'll look at your 15-minute level. What is that exact level? Look at them at 1175. Wishing, hoping, praying, dreaming. Calvin Klein.
Order canceled.
Okay, 14 next target.
Order submitted. Order
Okay,
filled.
14 out. We got 2 left. Ladies and gentlemen, we're live. Okay, 21.25 next target.
Order submitted.
I'm holding, guys. I'm holding for 21.25 and higher.
Order submitted.
Broke all the pipes in that box and do that again.
Yeah. Well, we clean them one at a time because they're not that dirty.
Which we knew where my pink one was.
Is that the one that broke?
No, the purple one is the one that broke. Purple and blue one.
No, the pink one. That's when it's clean. It's pink.
Yeah.
I'm still here, guys. I'm long. You can see it. Flat. I don't like that bar. I'm flat. Flat. All right, that's a perfect time to end the stream, folks. Let's stick it on over into the x.com. I'll see everybody over there. Peace.